Hi again. So you are connected with Neville Pereira, the sales coach, and the segment of Learn with the Sales Coach. We have already started the mini course in marketing management or sales and marketing management, where we are going to talk about sales and marketing management fundamentals, and also gradually we are going into in-depth discussions on sales and marketing. So we have already understood the definition of marketing. Now we know the elements of marketing. We know we discussed the product factor or the product element in marketing and the pricing factor in marketing, and then we have to talk about place or the distribution and the other elements in the marketing. So today we are going to talk about the supply chain management. So somebody will wonder why we are talking about supply chain management whilst we are talking in marketing. In today's context, the supply chain management has become a greater element or a tool to control the price of the product, to create that competitive edge of the product. What is supply chain management in very simple? Supply chain management is a relationship or the connectivity that you are creating from end to end, where it starts the production process and to the level of consumption. So from one edge to the other edge, the entire channels or all the entire chain connectivity is happening from the supply chain management, where that you will be able to create more value to the product by the time it is reached to the end customer. Since we have spoken about pricing element already, what is the price? Price is the MRP, maximum retail price that customer is going to pay to the product. If the marketer wants to get the price advantage on the product, your supply chain management has to be extremely aligned. If your supply chain management is not aligned, your cost of the product can go up lavishly. If the cost of the product is going up, you and me know that selling price is cost of the product plus the margin that you are going to add. So when the cost of the product is up, when the inefficiencies of your supply chain management, your price is going to up and you will fail to create a competitive edge in the marketplace. So from the point where you purchase your initial raw material, from the place where you are going to store them as raw materials or semi-finished goods, or from the place where you are going to start your production and have your the stocks, end products, inventories stored, and how you are going to transfer them from place to place, maybe from plant to plant, or maybe from plant to another manufacturing institute or organization, off to the outsourced parties, and what are the costs that you are going to incur in this process. Plus, your entire order fulfillment process will add cost to your product. Sometimes we will not put much focus on this area, but these are the factors that will have a negative impact on your product pricing at the time of the finished good pricing and when you want to launch the product to the end consumer. With the modern day competition, now the supply chain management has been changed its purview or how it's been seen. Supply chain management is beyond supply chain now. You can call it demand chain management. Why you call it demand chain management? Because now the demand is such and the competition to supply is such, so the prices can be negotiated as per the demand. You know, we have learnt already the 5 forces. As per Porter, there are 5 forces which are managing or controlling the market, the business, the bargaining power of customer, bargaining power of supplier, the threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, and the rivalry. So now bargaining power of customer is going up when there are free flow of supply of materials. So as a result, it has become not supply chain management, instead demand chain management. We'll talk more about demand chain management. So we said supply chain management is end to end, from the point where it starts to the point it is consumed, from the raw materials or any other material to the level of consumption of the final product by the consumer. So this entire channel is called managing of this entire channel is called the supply chain management. Then what is logistics? Logistics is also within this. Logistics is the arm who helps to transform or to transport or to take the flow of products from place to place, maybe forward integration or backward integration, maybe forward flow or maybe reverse flow, maybe from a raw material warehouse to the production, from production to end product warehouse, maybe from end product warehouse to the distributors, maybe from distributors to the retailers. So forward flow of transport. So logistics management includes the warehousing, keeping the inventories, keeping the stock records, keeping the information about the production process or the numbers. So all these things included in the logistics management. So the efficiencies of the supply chain management largely will rely on the efficiency of the logistics management. For an example, inventory control in a warehouse, whether you have right inventory or you have excessive inventory, or your cost of transport will definitely lead into your supply chain costs to go up. So you have to be very careful in handling your logistics management part in order to have a proper supply chain management. You know the famous JIT, J-I-T, the Japanese way of inventory management, inventory control, just in time. If an organization is able to have this JIT in place, you can reduce your cost of your materials and your cost of your production at a very low cost. As a result, you can obtain a huge competitive advantage when it comes to the market. There are some examples from the international market examples. They have their very economical products, but very classy, very good quality products, but very economical, because they have been able to maintain, they have been able to manage the economies of scale by having a very good supply chain management, including logistics management function within their business. So all in all, what we need to understand is that supply chain management looks like a totally different discipline within the organization, but how supply chain management is helping the sales and marketing function to keep the product quality, to keep the product price, to keep the product at the competitive price, and to offer something very competitive in the marketplace. It is not only the design of the product, it not only the quality of the product, not only the solution that product provides to the market, but also how much cost that you have to spend in terms of manufacturing this product. So supply chain management efficiency is very vital in terms of deciding your profitability, in terms of offering a good product at a very good price, where you can maintain your cost at a very low range. So let's talk more about supply chain, channel management, how modern technologies have helped for efficiencies in channel management, and as a result how we can do our distribution well, which is our next element of marketing, distribution, or we call it place, we'll see how distribution efficiencies, which is part of the supply chain, is going to help marketing in today's context to face the competition and to create a competitive advantage in the market. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you again. Do what you love what you do. See you again.